Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you guys can pre-qualify for the Silli credit card. Now there's so many different credit cards out there I've been talking to you guys about. So many people have been getting approved for these credit cards. I am so happy and proud of you guys for getting approved for these credit cards. That means that you guys are stepping your credit game up. You guys are raising your credit scores, but you guys are able to now get approved for a lot of different credit cards. Granted, I do have a website, All Things Rickita, where you guys can get pre-qualified for these credit cards. It's over 40 different credit cards that I can pre-qualify you all without a hard inquiry, but still, you got to put that work in to have that credit score. So with this Silli credit card, you guys, let's get right on into it. With this Silli credit card, they're able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And what I mean without a hard inquiry, I mean without a hard inquiry. If you go ahead and accept the offers for this credit card, whatever they can offer you, then you guys are going to get a hard inquiry. But all you have to do is click check now. And if you've seen this looks just like Bob's Furniture. This also looks like, what's the name of that one? We have Bob's Furniture, the Tempur-Pedic. It looks just like Tempur-Pedic. So I believe the Silli credit card is also with Wells Fargo. But what they're going to need in here, they're going to need your first name. They're going to need your last name. They're going to need your address, but you cannot put a P.O. box here, you guys. Do not put a P.O. box here. Let me start filling a little of this out with you all so you guys will be able to see what's going on. Do not put a P.O. box here at all. Then you want to put your address here. It's your city, state, and zip code. I can't even talk to you guys today. City, state, and zip code. And go ahead and put your email address in. Whatever your email address in, go ahead and put that in. And then put the last four digits of your social security number in. Some of these websites will ask for your full social security number. So understand that, be warned that they are going to sometimes ask for your full social security number, but it should not be a hard inquiry. It should not be a hard inquiry at all. It should be a soft inquiry. So what you want to do is go ahead and put that in and go ahead and check this box. And again, like I said, it looked so much like the Bob's Furniture and it looked like the Tempur-Pedic. I knew it had to be with Wells Fargo. So understand that Wells Fargo will conduct a soft pull on your credit and this will not affect your credit score. I also understand that Wells Fargo may share my name, address, and email address and pre-qualification status with Silli. So they may send or email me information regarding my pre-qualification status. So understand that. After you understand that, read all of these different things, go ahead and click submit. So you can go ahead and click submit. Now, the thing I like about this too is they have your, you can put your ITIN number in too. So if you guys don't have a social security number, maybe you like one of my Hispanic people, then maybe you don't have a social security number or whatever the case may be, maybe from a different country, you can actually get this one by putting your ITIN number in. So I'm really happy for you all. You don't even have to have a social security number fully. You can just have an ITIN number. So that's good. You can go ahead and click right here and use the ITIN number, but go ahead and click submit. Now understand too, if they say that they can pre-qualify you for a credit card, if you accept it, it is going to be a hard inquiry. There's going to be a hard inquiry. Now with this credit card, all of your orders over $500 are eligible for a 0% APR for 12 months with equal payments. So I really like that. You guys will be able to, have a 0% APR. So definitely go ahead and check out this credit card. And above all, if you just want to just get a credit card to report to the credit bureaus, this can be a card for you all because they can pre-qualify you and say yes or no without that hard inquiry. Now, don't forget on my website, All Things Rickita, I have so many different credit cards here that can pre-qualify you all without a hard inquiry also. It's not just that one that I showed you there. There are so many of them here that can pre-qualify you. So let's go over some of these now. So like I told you all before in my other videos, I opened my store. So go ahead and shop in my store, you all. And I have my exclusive membership. I always had that. We also had that Aura, which is a 14-day trial. You can get your credit scores every month. And if they see anything on your credit reports, and you can connect your bank account, if they see anything fraudulent, they can tell you, they'll tell you guys within 24 hours, so that you don't have to worry about having fraud months down the line. So if you are, maybe you're at the part where stage where you're gardening, you're not checking your credit score as much, maybe you want to go ahead and get that Aura, and it's a 14-day free trial. Like, go ahead and sign up for that, you guys. Everybody should just try that, mandatory anyway. But go ahead, check out that Self too. They have a secure Visa that you guys can get. You'll start off with that installment account, and this one, I had this account for years, and they said since I've been with them, my credit score went up a total of 155 points. So I'm definitely with them. I love that. We also have the credit builder card here. It's a secure credit card. They have 2 different secure credit cards you can get. We have that kickoff account here. It's a $10 account that's going to report to the credit bureau. And then they also have that $10 a month installment account that you all can sign up for. And Rental Karma, so many people have been signing up for them. They've been reporting to the credit bureaus and boosting their credit scores. So if you're looking to report your rent, then definitely sign up for that Rental Karma, because they will report the rent for you all, and it should boost your credit score now that you have another account reporting. And I have my $5,000 savings challenge. I definitely want you guys to sign up for the $5,000 savings challenge so you guys can learn to save money throughout the year. So definitely sign up for that. We have the Digit Savings app, the Identity IQ, my 90-day planner. But let's get into some of these credit cards. I kind of got off track. So some of the credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry is that Capital One credit card, the Navy Federal, that Discover credit card. We also have Credit One Bank, Mission Lane on here that can pre-qualify you. The Wayfair credit card can pre-qualify you. The Tumo credit card can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. But warning, warning, warning about Tumo. They're going to look in your bank account anyway. They're not going to look at your credit reports. That's why they can pre-qualify you without a credit check. I should add that note on here that they're going to look into your bank account. So if you guys have overdraft fees and things like that, then don't apply for it. We also have the Apple credit card, and when Apple can pre-qualify you, they tell you exactly how much they can pre-qualify you for. So I really like that. We have the American Express that can pre-qualify you. We also have the Credit One Bank American Express card. And then also you all have the FNBO. They're going to tell you exactly how much they can pre-qualify you for. They'll give you an exact amount. The NASA, the Pedal 2, Walgreens, Prosper, Milestone, Indigo, Destiny credit card, the Best Egg, the Deserve. These are all loans. These are personal loans. If you guys are looking to get like a loan, you guys can pre-qualify for these here. We also have the Care Credit, which is a credit card that can pre-qualify you all. And if you guys have animals, you need to take them to the vet, definitely you should have a Care credit card on file, because you just never, you should have a Care credit card just because you just never know what's going to happen, especially with your pets, and you want to make sure you can keep them safe. We have the X1 credit card that can pre-qualify you. The Lowe's credit card can pre-qualify you. The Lexus Pursuits. A lot of people been getting approved for these different credit cards, you guys, so definitely look at all these that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. The GM Rewards card, the Dell credit card, the Home Depot, the Southwest, Toyota, Kohl's, US Alliance. All of these credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So definitely check them out, you guys. And don't forget, this is on my link, All Things Rickita. Also, go ahead and check out my store, you all. I opened my store, but right now it should be open by the time you guys are watching this video, but definitely go ahead and check out my store. I have so many different things on my store, and hopefully you guys will like it. If you guys get approved for these credit cards, come back, let us know what you got approved for, how much you got approved for, which credit card, so that we can hop on that credit card too. We can get that credit card too. And I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.